Hey y'all, welcome back to Redwood RV Ventures. We are making the pups another treat. I use old-fashioned oats, oatmeal. We're gonna make oat flour with it because my husband does not like wheat bread. So we don't do it. I don't have it. I've never had it. I've got extra over here. We're gonna see how much about 3 cups gives us. I'm just gonna do the rest of this. Going in, y'all, go for it. Because I'm gonna do a double, which means 5 cups. Blender up. I've used this blender before, but it gives me trouble. Oh my goodness. Whoop. Yeah, y'all, that ain't even, that's 2.5 cups. So we need quite a bit more. We're gonna cut this open. I bought a huge batch of old-fashioned oats, sucked them up in the food saver, and now they're good to go. We're gonna pour it in the blender first so I don't make a huge mess. It's inevitable. And I just cleaned my counter. Probably could use more, y'all. These oats aren't messing around. Still think we're gonna need a little more. Just under 5. Should have measured because I got my scooper out, but it's okay. We used a pretty good amount of that. It's got to be good. Now we're at about 5.5. Good enough. We're just going to use this bowl. I'm going to take this blade out, scoop out 5 cups into my bowl. I might do a bigger bowl. I prefer for it to be too big than not big enough. It's about 1. It's about 2. Oh boy. About 3.5, 4. Just doing it all, y'all. If we need to add a little extra water, no biggie. Scrape all that goodness out. Boom. We're gonna do half a teaspoon, so a whole teaspoon of salt. Just following a recipe, y'all. A teaspoon of cinnamon. It's good for them, I heard. I'm gonna guess on this peanut butter because I don't want to make a fat mess. It's honestly probably better without a silicone spatula. I'm gonna work on that and come back, y'all. We need 4 eggs, but I think I'm gonna mix this up first a little bit. What is going on with my egg cracking, y'all? All right, y'all. I got a better utensil here. It's all good. It's all good. I need half a cup per recipe, so half of this can. What am I gonna do with the other half? I'm not sure. Might have to make another batch, or we'll go a little heavy on it. Make some ice cream bars or something. They would like that. 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. It's like 2. That's like 4. Right, I can try to mix these wet ingredients a little bit first. That peanut butter is gonna be a challenge. And if needed, it says we can add water, which I might add more pumpkin because it needs to be used. We'll see. That's so sticky. I was gonna go in with my hands, but it's super sticky. Is that the peanut butter? Oh, it's the peanut butter. Oh, I really done it now, y'all. Now I would say is a decent time to try going in with your fingers and hands. I'm gonna try to give it a little knead in here first. Then if I need, I will put it on the counter. It's getting thick, y'all. I think we're gonna let this sit for probably 10 minutes. I want to let that oat flour be able to hydrate from the liquid. There's only a tad bit of flour in the bottom here. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna set it in this bowl and let it hydrate for about 10 minutes. Hopefully it'll be easier to work with. We'll find out. All right, y'all. We've been letting this rest. I put groceries away, maybe 10 minutes or so. Wow, she's hard. Barely indents. Springs back a bit. Okay. It smells really good. That cinnamon smells so good. There's cows next to us, so these flies are just unstoppable. Speaking of, I might need to, probably should have left it a little runnier because look how crumbly. Let's get a little water under, a couple drops. The girls are already excited about their little snacks. Telling y'all they love these. I made peanut butter ones. They love them. They absolutely love them. And I want to share these with their little friends. So I made a double. And if I made a double batch of these, our girls, they would eat them up quick. Fill a little cookie jar for them. They'd tear it up. So this ball, I mean, it sticks together pretty good, but it also crumbles. I've got a spray bottle for if I heat up rice or a tortilla, whatever. Give it a little mist. Obviously got one in the bathroom as well. If you haven't made your own dog treats or something homemade, you guys should totally give it a try. It's so fun. It's rewarding. If you love it, if your family loves it, if your pups love it, it's like, wow, that's awesome. You know what's in it, probably healthier. I think we're gonna go with this. Look at that. Stays together pretty good. It's like, I don't remember what Play-Doh feels like, y'all. Do another little, I'm gonna give it a couple splashes. It's a little more than I probably wanted, but no big deal. And we're not gonna cookie cut most of these. I have these silicone molds, and we're gonna see if I can get a good amount of those, because I have two options, and we're gonna send some to their friends. I wanna see what works, what they like. It's really sticky now, look. Right, y'all, I've got a bit of a bigger paw, medium paw, and bones, smaller paw, and little bones. So we're gonna give these a try. I think I'm gonna start with the bones. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but can't be that hard. We're gonna just bust them out and fill these little suckers up. It's already gonna be rough. They might need to be softer, like wet. So here we go, fill these up. Hey y'all, here are the bone snack treats, doggy bones, doggy snacks, biscuits. We've got little bones, a couple with a border pattern, tiny little bones that are adorable, good enough for a little dog, and a couple for a bigger. We got a couple small, medium, and large paws. They're really delicious. This is a good sized biscuit. They dried out nice. Gonna be delicious, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider subscribing and following us along for more. I appreciate y'all for joining me in my kitchen, and the pups are going to enjoy these biscuits immensely. I hope y'all have a fabulous day, spending time with those you love, doing the things you love, and eating the things you love. Peace out, y'all. Bon appetit. Good girls. You gonna be good girls today? Yeah? Okay. Good girl.